Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and for today, I'm going to show you how to use an AI prompt generator for Midjourney in order to create your own Midjourney AI generated images. So firstly, make sure everything is set up, like having a Midjourney bot in the Discord server you wish to use it on. So, for the purposes of this video, we'll be using a AI generator prompt tool like DSNR in order to create AI generated prompts to be used with Midjourney. So, go ahead and search for DSNR using Google or any search engine that you wish. Go to the DSNR website, and we'll have to join the DSNR Discord server in order to invite the bot to our own Discord server. So go ahead and click on Join Discord and accept the invite in order to join the DSNR Discord server. So once you've accessed the DSNR Discord server, go ahead and read the welcome announcements, scroll down to General, and before you begin typing or chatting, make sure to accept the terms and regulations for said Discord server. So once you've done all of that, on the upper right corner, select the DSNR account and click on Add to Server so that we could add this to the same server where we have a Midjourney bot already there. Select the server you wish to add the DSNR bot to, give it the following permissions, and then click on Continue to continue adding it to the server of our choosing. Now, once you have DSNR invited to the server where we also have the Midjourney bot, let's go ahead and do our first prompt by typing /design. So for our first prompt, let's give it dog riding a superbike. After typing in our first prompt, you can see that DSNR will reply giving us options to choose from. It'll give us an option, either a custom, photorealistic, or a logo. For the purposes of this video, we're gonna go with the photorealistic option. Next, it'll ask us another question to generate more prompts with, and it's now asking us what the breed of the dog riding the superbike is. Just follow along, and we're going to choose Labrador Retriever. Then for the color of the superbike, we're gonna go with black. It even asks us for the position the dog is sitting in. For now, let's just choose the first one. Then for this one, we're going to go with racing helmets and gloves. And finally, let's choose countryside with rolling hills as the background scenery for this AI generated image. So just give it a minute to generate, and there we go. DSNR has now generated a very long but very specific prompt to be used to generate an AI image of a dog riding a superbike. Now, let's take this prompt that DSNR has given us and let's input it into Midjourney by typing /imagine and just copying the wall of text from the DSNR prompt into the Midjourney prompt. Now, as you can see, it's not perfect, but it is an AI-generated image of a black superbike in the upright sitting position with the correct background that we did ask for. Now, if you don't feel like talking on the server chat, you can also directly message DSNR to generate some prompts personally. For this next prompt, let's go with Cyberdog in outer space. After giving it some time to generate, let's go again with the photorealistic option. And just like before, DSNR will ask you questions and you just have to choose an option as it listed here. We're going to go with metallic hues, fierce and determined. Then let's choose floating asteroids and space debris for a background or environment. We're going to go with exploring a space station prompt. And finally, laser beams shooting from the cyberdog's eyes. Now, just give it some time to generate, and there we go. DSNR has given us another long, very specific prompt that we can use with Midjourney. Now, let's start a new direct message chat with the Midjourney bot. And as usual, let's start by typing /imagine with the prompt that we've gotten from DSNR. Now, once we've inputted everything, Midjourney has now generated for us 4 photorealistic images of the space station dog that we chose. And there we go! You now learned how to use DSNR in conjunction with Midjourney to create some very powerful and nice AI-generated images. Do note that we were currently using the free version of DSNR, but it also comes with certain price tags and subscription models. And that's really all there is for this video. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and if you have any questions or inquiries, feel free to leave a comment down below and like and subscribe to this channel for more content. Thanks so much for watching.